22 donuts. 22 donuts.
Well, not for the kids who don't care.
Everyone we got donuts. Maybe I will bring donuts this week.
Get them.
How'd your interview go?
Hey, Luke, did you know I met
Only
Mark's
okay.
dad?
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like your documentary's gonna be like
It was
15
good.
minutes.
He's a Christmas baby.
No, boys,
Huh?
cracked
No,
up.
it's cracked out, Nick. I get
It's good.
I get way more bitches than you.
Whatever it feels right. What is why?
May I go potty?
What's going on?
God,
Yeah.
surrounded by fourth graders. Go, Luke.
Thank you,
Go.
Mr. Moore.
Seriously, how many girlfriends have you had?
Seriously, why are we talking about this? Why can't we just do our work and not talk about relationships or how I was late? Let's just not talk about that ever again.
I'm not even talking about how you were. No,
Nick, you're gonna need to sit down.
I don't wanna.
You're gonna have to.
I don't wanna. I just wanna lean.
Remember, Trent? Remember when you thought you were doing a good job? You're not doing a good job.
Are you just recording everything?
That's my home phone ringtone. I don't even know the name of it.
I thought media communications was like a. I thought it was like a class about learning about different cultures.
No.
What?
What's the song where it's like?
Trans-Siberian
It's a wedding. It's a
Orchestra.
wedding song, like the wedding. It's like
Why are you recording?
just look up like the famous.
I have no idea why he's ever
That means
recording.
me.
Nate, calm down.
It's like
Why are you
something
calling me
in
Nate?
Canon.
What's your name?
Yeah, Canon and D. That's
Oh, okay.
Seriously? We've been in like 3 or 4 classes together.
Get a haircut.
You have that?
Yeah.
You have
I
like.
do. I am due for one, so.
You. Yeah.
Why, Chad?
Here, want me to do it for you?
Most
No.
And why do you leave such bad comments online?
That was Carlo who typed it in.
I would never say that. Why would I ever use
Look at Carlo.
Yeah, Akbar Dave.
Carlo no the way. He would never do such.
I don't know that.
Happy with this.
Oh, yes,
You're like
Miss
such a
Mario
lie.
play Fortnite?
Here's my ankle.
He plays it.
Like so hot.
He's pretending he doesn't, but his dad told me he did.
I talked to my dad like once.
Exactly once.
You got gleaned all this information from talking to my
I
dad.
did. He said you have an obsession with owls.
That's his name.
That's very true.
Yeah.
You revealed a lot. I do love barn owls.
Yep.
Are you still recording?
I hope he is. Is he?